In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a lead generation funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll start by creating the foundation of your funnel. Inside your ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard, head to Funnels, click the plus icon to create funnel, and choose the Collect Emails or Lead Generation option. Give your funnel a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, then click Build Funnel. This setup tells ClickFunnels you want to capture contacts and route them into your email list. Next, add your opt-in page. Choose a template that matches your brand style and is focused on a single action, collecting an email. Click Edit Page and craft a headline that clearly explains the value of your offer, like a checklist, guide, or mini course. Keep the email form simple. Usually just an email field performs best. Add a strong call to action button that tells people exactly what they get, such as, "Get the free guide." If you can, include a brief line that builds trust, like a short privacy note or a line about what they'll receive. Keep everything clean and uncluttered to minimize distractions. Now connect your email. Click on the form element, open Settings, go to Integrations, and connect your email service provider. Select the correct list or tag so new contacts are automatically organized. Make sure your fields map correctly, email to email, name to name if you're collecting it. This connection ensures your new leads are captured and can receive your follow-up sequence or welcome email. Add a thank you page to close the loop. In your funnel, click to add a step and choose a thank you page. Edit the content to confirm their opt-in and set expectations for what happens next. If you're delivering a lead magnet, add the download link or instructions on how they'll receive it by email. Keep the thank you message friendly and clear, and consider adding a brief next step, such as checking their inbox or whitelisting your address to improve deliverability. Before you go live, test and publish. Use the preview option to see how the funnel looks on desktop and mobile. Submit a test email through the form and verify that it reaches your email service and triggers any automations you've set. Once everything checks out, click Publish and copy your funnel link. Share it on your website, social profiles, or ads. If you have a custom domain connected, your link will use it. Otherwise, you'll use the default ClickFunnels URL. That's it. Your lead generation funnel is up and running.